It's important to maintain your LG air purifier on a consistent basis for maximum use. Here are the steps on maintaining your filters and cleaning your sensor. Your air purifier operates with the PuriCare filtration system, a triple filter combination that consists of the pre-filter, which traps large particles such as hair and pet fur, the PuriCare filter, which removes finer particles such as pollen and smoke, and the deodorizing filter, which removes odors and formaldehyde. It is recommended to clean your pre-filter once a month. Your PuriCare and deodorizing filters are not washable and needs to be replaced every 12 months. Visit the LG website to purchase replacement filters. To start cleaning and replacing your filters, turn off the air purifier and unplug the appliance. Pull open the back panel. Place newspapers or paper towels to catch loose dust. Pull the filter set by the top handle to remove it from the appliance. While holding the filter set over newspapers or paper towels, push up on the sides of the pre-filter to separate it from the filter set. Clean the pre-filter using a vacuum cleaner or brush. If the pre-filter is still dirty, rinse it with water and let it dry completely. If you are replacing your PuriCare and deodorizing filters, separate the filter cases by pushing the side tabs to release it. Remove the old filters from their respective cases and replace them with new ones. After cleaning and replacing the filters, reassemble them back together in the correct order. Replace the filters into the back panel with the deodorizing filter facing up. Make sure to fit the tabs of the handle to the slots of the panel. It is recommended to clean the sensor every 6 months. Make sure to turn off and unplug the air purifier. Open the dust sensor cover. Clean the dust sensor lens with a dry or wet cotton swab. Only use water to clean the sensor. To clean the exterior of the air purifier, wipe it with a soft cloth and warm water.